If you're still using a wooden welding table because you can't afford to drop 20 or 30 Benjis on a nice solid welding table, hey, Stronghand Tools has got an option for you. It's the portable fab table that you can use with or without the tripod. Check this out. And when I say portable, that doesn't mean that we are skimping on quality. We are looking at a 5/8 inch thick diameter plate here as a tabletop. And as you can see, it's got a spacing in between it for mounting it to the top of the tripod. Now, this is going to give you that 5/8 inch diameter hole on it with a 2-inch spacing on it. So it fits just your standard fab table. So one thing I like about this, that you can get just a table alone, or you can get it with the tooling kit, and that's going to include a couple of ratchets as well as inserted clamps and some stops as well as some V blocks here. But super awesome setup here. But what I really like about it, you can use it on tripod coming from Stronghand Tools just the same. So the way this works, you've got a couple of mounts here on the base of it that's going to be quick disconnects. So basically slide directly into these little threads. So at this point, this will be what you'll be looking at, and then you'll have this little wing nut here, handheld, that you can tighten it up to lock it into place. So you can remove it on or off the job site on the go. But this right here is super sweet. It just mounts directly on this V-block style pipe stand. Now, if you get the one with a pipe stand, you'll find that this is collapsible as well as adjustable. So we got it tightened up right now just so it fits on this table here. But you'll also see that you can get it with the 360-degree rotating casters or without, and they do lock. Now, as far as this pipe stand itself, what you're looking at is about an 1/8 inch diameter pipe up to around a 12-inch diameter pipe that this is able to withstand. And what you'll find is these are actually a quick disconnect. So you can get this solo or you can get it as a combo. But what we're looking at is you can actually thread this up higher to get to your desired area. And then you can use the T-handle here to tighten it on up to raise it down or raise it up. So that's pretty sweet. But what I do like about it is the quick disconnects here. So you can see this washer here, and the way that works is you just press the washer up and that'll allow this to slide. So if we're picking it up, all we got to do is slide, and that washer is going to catch it right there. But when you're ready to lower it, watch your fingers. This is the pincher. Hey, you press the button up there and that thing will slide down. But 2 hands controlled, obviously, but then you can lock it in place as well as the carrying handle with that too. So Stronghand Tools really got it thought out when having an affordable table that's going to be thick enough to handle the jobs, portable on the go, and to use it on a tripod with a tooling kit. Hey, tripod with a welding table, super sweet setup. But you'll also find the link down below the drop down arrow. You can find the little indicators for the top of your welding bottle, some 6.5, some 8.5 inch clamps, your inserted clamps, your big mouth. Stronghand Tools specializes in just like that. And right now, the 25 year-end promo coming from Black Friday, check it out, the link down below, and you will not be disappointed with Stronghand Tools. Super awesome company.